to my channel. Today I am really excited to be sharing my January sewing plans. It feels like forever since I was behind the sewing machine. The last few months have just been crazy with trying to get my business up and running and then finishing up on my old work and the transition period. So I really haven't had any time to sew. I've sewn a couple of things, but nothing really for myself for probably about 3 or 4 months. So I'm really excited to get back into some sort of sewing schedule this year. So I have a couple of new fabrics and patterns to talk about, and then I also have a few things I want to finish off, so I'm just going to jump straight into this video. Okay, so the first thing on my to sew list this month is the Sew My Style pattern for January, which is the Sunny Dress and Top by Friday pattern company. I'm really excited to get into the Sew My Style patterns. We've spent quite a while getting everything organised and launching and all of that, so it'd be nice to actually get into the sewing aspect of the project. So the Sunny Dress, I'll pop a little thing here for you. It has had some mixed reviews from people who have made it. Obviously when we choose these patterns, unless we've made them before, we don't necessarily know what the instructions or the pattern drafting is going to be like, and I know that there have been a few issues that people have brought up about this pattern and it hasn't worked for everybody. However, on the flip side, there have also been some amazing sunny dresses and tops and quite a few hacks, which has been awesome to see. Hacks are welcome for Sew My Style. Again, this is about sewing your style, so if you feel like you can change up a pattern to make it match your style better, we are all for that. And hacks are included, can be included to win the monthly prizes as well. You just have to have the base pattern as whatever the pattern is for that month. So anyway, there have been some amazing makes, so I'm really excited to get stuck into mine. I purchased some fabrics from Stone Mountain and Daughter. They are this month's Sew My Style sponsor, and if you win the monthly prize, you will win a $100 US gift card to their store. Their customer service is amazing. Catherine, who is one of our leaders for this year, Thread Snips, she works there and she does their social media and everything, and she's awesome for asking questions too, and she has helped a lot of people out with choosing fabrics, which has been amazing. They have a really large selection of fabrics. I was a little bit unsure about buying from there because obviously I'm in Australia, and so buying from overseas can get quite expensive. However, they were very generous and offered a discount, and I decided just to jump in and grab some fabrics from there. I'm trying really hard to avoid Spotlight this year, so I will be going to more independent fabric and haberdashery type stores if I can. So anyway, I got 2 fabrics. One is for the dress version and one is for the top version. So starting off with the dress version, I picked up this absolutely stunning black and white stripe. I'll do a close-up of these fabrics as always so you can see them better. I believe these are rayon knits, which means they are really drapey and really pretty. I love this, and I think it's going to make such a cute sunny staple. So yeah, the white I think is a little bit see-through, but I don't think it'll matter too much. I don't think it's that bad. I was expecting it to be a little bit worse based on some feedback. But yeah, this is really gorgeous and so soft. The quality of their fabrics is really amazing. These knits are just absolutely beautiful. So I will pop a link to this fabric in the description box below because I can't remember what it was called or how much it was or any of that important information, so I will pop it down below if you want to purchase some for yourself. So yeah, this is going to be a dress version of the Sunny because I think it'll be really cute for summer, just paired with my Connies or thongs, or whatever works for that. So yeah, really excited about this one. And then the other fabric that I purchased from them, I actually ummed and ahed whether I should get this, but to make the shipping not as bad, it was better for me to get a little bit more fabric. So this is a bamboo rayon knit, I think. I will pop a link to it again in the description down below so you can have a look. But it's got these birds on there, and oh my gosh, this is the most stunning fabric. It is going to make such a gorgeous top. It's so drapey and it is so soft. Like, I think this is going to become a favourite t-shirt. So yeah, I am going to make the top version out of this. I think it will look really cute, and because it's sort of that dusky pink, I think it will go with quite a few things. So I'm really excited to see how that one turns out. Even after washing both of these, they are both so soft and just absolutely gorgeous. If you wanted a little bit of inspiration for the Sunny too, our leader Catherine has done a couple of inspiration posts and also a hack with some really gorgeous binding on the hem and the neckline and the arms and everything. So I will pop a link to her blog post in the description below as well, so you can go over and check those out. The only other thing I have on my to sew list this month is my netty dress hack. I think I spoke about this in my December sewing plans video, which I don't even know why I bothered making that video because I was never going to get that much sewing time anyway. But I was sent this gorgeous rose fabric from Jen from Fawn Fabrics, and also a copy of the netty pattern by Closet Case Files, which is so exciting because I've been wanting to buy that pattern for so long. So here's where I'm at. I have done the bodice, I have attached the neckline, but I need to unpick this and reattach it again because if you saw my Instagram stories about this last year, I cut out the back piece the wrong way or the front piece the wrong way, I can't remember which one now. And when I reattached the neckband, I realised that it's too short because I need to recut it again. So anyway, this is where I am at, and it fits me really, really well. I think I ended up cutting a size 2. I can't remember what sizes it goes up in. But yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to also, I think I'm going to take these sleeves off and put flutter sleeves on. Or I might just leave them, I'm not entirely sure yet. But I'm going to add a pleated sort of skirt to it with a high-low hem. So yeah, I'm hopefully going to finish that one this week so that I can wear it in hopefully my video next week. Which, yeah, you'll have to wait and see what that is to see why I'm wearing it. But yeah, I'm hopefully going to have that finished at some point this week. And then yeah, that will be sort of my sewing for January. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week. Bye!